Hi everyone, I'm Bordo, sales manager and de facto bartender here at Rikk's. Today we're going to be making a Bloody Mary. Since we're starting from scratch, we need tomato juice. So there's about 4 cups here, half cup of Liam Parent's Worcestershire, Tabasco, which I like to kind of sprinkle on the top and do to taste. We've got celery salt, which is a must for a classic Bloody Mary. Horseradish, lemons and limes, celery for garnish, Manzanilla olives, and cocktail onions. If you pre-portion everything out, it comes together really quick. So you got your tomato juice, our Worcestershire. You're gonna throw in horseradish, toss in that celery salt. Now it's mixed up, ready to go. And next we will add our booze. So a lot of people like to use all kinds of different glasses. Some people like to use pint glasses or Collins glasses. I like to do my Bloodies and Rocks glasses. So we're going to pour some Tito's in there, which basically we should have on tap here. And some people like to measure it out, but when I'm at home, I call them home pours. So just pour till it looks good enough. We all know our own limits. But I usually like to go a third of the way. A little squeeze of lemon, just brighten it up. That'll really make the cocktail pop. A little squeeze of lime. All you do is pour in your mix. And then I like to just do a little hit of Tabasco. I think that the horseradish is where you get a lot of your heat, so that's what I prefer. But you can do whatever you like. This adds a little bit of like a vinegar, a little bit more acid to it. Now again, some people like to do cut up salami and cheese and all that kind of stuff, but what I really like to do is classic with the celery, a wedge of lime, wedge of lemon, and then I like to do the Manzanilla olive cocktail onion combo on the bamboo stick, of course. So we'll put that on there. All right, and then you can kind of use your celery to stir it up a little bit. You can put straws in it, but for the main part, this is how I like to make mine at home.